Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video we are making delicious vegetable chicken curry sauce. So stay tuned if you want to know how I achieve it. So guys, for a start, here is my chicken already washed and clean. And next is my sweet corn, and next is my garlic, ginger and onions. Next is my bell peppers, carrots. You can use any colors of your choice. It doesn't matter. You can slice it anyhow you want it. It doesn't matter. So next one is my aroma spice. And the next one is my Maggi seasoning. You can use any Maggi seasonings of your choice. And the next one is my thyme. And the next one is my chili powder. And I have my chicken glory spice. Next is curry. And this one is the thickener. If you have Aldi or Lidl in your area, you can get this thickener there. Next is to add my vegetable oil inside my frying pan. Just the amount of oil I need. You can use olive oil, any oil of your choice. After then, I'm gonna go ahead and add my chopped onions after the oil have heated up a bit. And let it to fry for some minutes. Guys, as you are frying the onions, don't forget to add your thyme. Because something distracted me, so I skipped when I added my thyme. So next, I'm gonna go ahead and add in my Maggi seasoning. You can add any Maggi seasonings of your choice. Like I said, I use Maggi chicken and cow brown. Yes guys, if you are following me, you will know I don't use any other type of Maggi apart from this type of Maggi. So I will go ahead and give it a quick stir. Next is to add my chicken inside and leave it to fry. For this recipe guys, you can use any type of meat you want, like turkey, gizzard, name it, it doesn't matter. So next, I'm gonna allow it to fry for 5 minutes. So after 5 minutes, next I'm gonna go ahead and add all my seasoning. I added my chicken glory and aroma. Then I'm gonna give it a quick stir. So after adding all of those, I will make sure everything is well combined. Then I'm gonna leave it to cook for another 5 minutes. Guys, this recipe I did not add any salt, so salt is optional because all those spices contain salt. Then the next step is to add my ginger and garlic, which is already blended. I blend it together. So I'm going to give it another quick stir. So at this stage right now, I'm going to go ahead and add all the chopped bell peppers with carrots inside. Yes, guys. Next is to give it a quick stir.
We talk on the phone every night. Love to hear your
So next is to add my sweet corn
and I know that you're
and stir again.
You've been gone for way too long now. If I can lay down beside
After stirring, I'm going to add just a little amount of water. Yeah, you are going to add water according to how you want the sauce to be thick. Yes, so if you want it watery, you make yours watery. You should know how to add your own water inside the sauce. I'm going to leave it to cook. I will cover it and leave it to cook. Next is to mix my thickener, the curry spice. So I'm going to add water, just a little amount of water to mix. After then, I'm going to go ahead and pour it inside. The next one is to add my curry powder. Yes. After that, I will give it a good stir. At this stage, you are going to go ahead and add the amount of water you need to add. Guys, I skip when I was adding the chili pepper because I want my kids to eat the sauce, so I want to first of all remove their own before adding the pepper. So at this stage, you can add your pepper inside and give it a quick stir. So after that, you are going to leave it to cook for 2 minutes and your sauce is ready. And before I forget, if you are new to my channel, you are highly welcome. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. Please, let's be friends by smashing that red sign that says subscribe. Turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss out whenever I upload new videos like this. I normally upload videos on weekly basis. And if you are my OG returning subscribers, I see you. God bless you for always watching my video. So right now, our chicken vegetable curry sauce is ready. Yes, guys, you can see how yummy it's looking. The taste is awesome. It's sugary lekker. I believe I have come to the end of this video. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to share your thoughts at the comment section down below. And feel free to share my video. It's a way of helping me to grow. So see you in my next upcoming video. As of now, I am out. Bye bye. Ciao.
you.